Hello everybody, my name is Quirk and I'm back with another amazing video for you guys. Today we're going to talk about free skins on League of Legends Wild Rift. Yes, free skins, including the exclusive stuff like Stargazer Camille and many more epic skins. So without further ado, let's go now and jump right to the topic.
Just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always keep.
What is up everybody? So if you're looking for an epic skin tier for free, well, watch until the end because there is some instruction that you guys need to learn. But if you didn't listen to the instructions, you may still get a skin but not an epic skin tier. Well, it's your choice then. So, I have a question for today before we start. Which skin do you guys like the most on the game, which is Wild Rift? Just comment down below. Okay, let's start with making your first account or second account at least. Well, first of all, we're going to take advantage about the Wild Rift guide or a tutorial that will give you the reward of a skin of your choice. But take note, that is not all. Yes, skin of your choice of a certain champion, but it was randomized. Wait, what? Well, this is my second account or Smurf. Okay, so first of all, this is the reward, which is the new player tutorial skin selection chest. It indicates that you will receive a skin of your choice on owned champions, which means you need to buy something or champion first. What do you mean, Quirk? Skin of your choice but randomized? Okay, so here it is. So first of all, this is all my own champions on the game. All of the champions that you own will have one randomized skin. So basically, I bought Camille and I got Stargazer Camille because Camille only has epic skin tier. So what is the instructions, Quirk? How can I get free epic skin tier? So here it is. Well, first of all, you need to buy or get a champion that you guys want on. So basically, you need to pick a champion that only has an epic skin tier on their skin shop. Well, here's my recommendation for you guys. First of all, for support players, pick Trash or buy Trash on the shop, which is, it will guarantee you to get this Pulsefire skin on League of Legends Wild Rift for free. Next one will be Senna, because Senna only has legendary and epic tier skin. Well, that means you will be guaranteed to get this true damage Senna. Well, that is 990 wild cores for free. For Baron laners, choose Riven. She is on meta right now and also she only have an epic skin tier skins. Well, basically it will guarantee you either Arcade or Sentinel of Light Riven. For ADC and mid mains out there, well, choose Action for Battle Academia skins, which is also an exclusive for Wild Rift. Well, next one is Saya and Rakan. Saya and Rakan only has an epic tier skin which will guarantee you to get on the tutorial orb. So basically, get these two if you are ADC or support mains because this is a top tier champions. Well, for assassin mains out there, use or choose Akali for epic tier skin, which is KDA or even Headhunter Akali. Or even Akali is not your thing, well, Fizz is one for you. Super Galaxy Fizz, Void Fizz, Fast Fizz, and also Omega Squad Fizz. Well, that's it for Fizz out there. Well, to clarify, all of the champions that you are seeing on the store will have their own skins. But on this, on my recommendation, it will be guaranteed epic skin tier. But I missed some champions, so maybe just comment down below what do you guys think. So basically, all of the champions will have a free skin, but some of them are just normal skins. So if you guys good to that, and if you're looking for a free skin for your main champions, well, that is not bad at all, right? Well, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you guys later. Peace out everyone and goodbye.